For decades, stories of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, have captivated the public imagination. These tales, often whispered in hushed tones, speak of strange lights in the sky, unexplainable aerial maneuvers, and even encounters with otherworldly beings. One of the most enduring images associated with UFO sightings is that of the gray alien, a humanoid figure with smooth gray skin, large black eyes, and a small, slender frame. These beings have become a staple of science fiction and popular culture, inspiring countless books, films, and television shows. From the iconic Roswell incident of 1947 to the countless reported abductions, gray aliens have taken center stage in our collective fascination with the unknown. Some believe them to be extraterrestrial visitors from distant galaxies, while others dismiss them as figments of our imagination or misidentified natural phenomena. The truth, as is often the case with such mysteries, remains elusive. However, the persistence of these stories, coupled with the sheer volume of anecdotal evidence, suggests that there may be more to these sightings than meets the eye. While skeptics may scoff at the idea of alien visitation, the possibility, however remote, continues to intrigue and inspire. Could these beings, with their advanced technology and enigmatic motives, truly be traversing the vast expanse of space to visit our humble planet? Or are they simply products of our collective desire for something beyond the ordinary, projections of our hopes and fears onto the cosmic canvas? Whatever the answer, the enduring fascination with UFOs and gray aliens speaks to our innate curiosity about the universe and our place within it. The concept of gray aliens as bioengineered drones, specifically designed for the rigors of time travel, offers a unique perspective on the UFO phenomenon. Imagine for a moment the challenges of sending a biological organism through the fabric of space-time. The stresses on the body, the potential for temporal paradoxes, and the sheer energy required for such a journey would be immense. In this context, the simplicity of the gray alien form begins to make sense. Their small, streamlined bodies, devoid of extraneous features like hair, ears, or noses, suggest a design optimized for efficiency and resilience. Their large, black eyes, often described as possessing an intense, almost hypnotic gaze, could be specialized sensory organs adapted for navigating the complexities of temporal distortions. Their lack of visible reproductive organs or digestive systems further reinforces the idea of a being designed for a singular purpose, to travel through time. The absence of complex biological functions, such as breathing or eating, would greatly simplify the challenges of sustaining life during time travel. Imagine the logistical nightmare of transporting food, water, and oxygen across vast stretches of time. A biodrone, however, would require only a minimal power source, perhaps a form of compact, long-lasting energy cell to fuel its mission. This minimalist design would also reduce the risk of mechanical failure or biological decay during extended journeys through time. Furthermore, the gray alien's lack of emotion, often described as cold and detached, could be a deliberate design feature. Emotions, with their unpredictable influence on behavior, could be detrimental to a time-traveling entity. A purely logical, task-oriented being, devoid of emotional distractions, would be better suited for navigating the delicate intricacies of temporal manipulation. If gray aliens are indeed bioengineered drones sent from the future, their purpose in traversing time becomes a source of immense speculation. Are they passive observers, meticulously documenting the course of history? Or are they active participants, subtly influencing events to ensure a desired outcome? Perhaps their mission is a combination of both, a delicate balancing act between observation and intervention. One possibility is that these drones are tasked with recording historical data, gathering information from key moments in time. Their advanced technology could allow them to capture events with unparalleled accuracy, preserving details that might otherwise be lost to the ravages of time. Imagine a future civilization possessing the ability to manipulate time, seeking to understand its own past, to learn from its triumphs and failures. These biodrones could be their eyes and ears, meticulously documenting the evolution of humanity and the events that shaped our world. Another possibility is that these drones are not merely passive observers, but active agents tasked with influencing the course of history. Perhaps they are sent to correct temporal anomalies, to prevent catastrophic events, or to ensure the survival of their own future timeline. Their interventions could be subtle, nudges in the right direction, manipulations of key individuals or events, all designed to steer history towards a desired outcome. The implications of such interference are profound, raising questions about free will, determinism, and the very nature of time itself. Of course, the possibility remains that their mission is a combination of both observation and intervention. Perhaps they are tasked with monitoring the timeline, recording events as they unfold, but also empowered to intervene if necessary. This delicate balance between observation and action would require advanced programming, a complex set of rules and protocols governing their behavior in different situations. The ethical implications of such a mission are significant, raising questions about the right to interfere in the affairs of another time, another species. The concept of gray aliens as bioengineered drones from the future challenges our understanding of life, technology, and the very nature of time itself. It suggests a level of technological advancement far beyond our current capabilities, a mastery of time and space that borders on the divine. If such beings truly exist, it forces us to reconsider our place in the cosmos, our assumptions about the limits of technology and the very nature of reality. The existence of time travel, even if confined to specialized biodrones, would fundamentally alter our understanding of causality and free will. If the future can influence the past, then the present becomes a fluid, ever-changing landscape, shaped by forces beyond our comprehension. The implications for our understanding of history, ethics, and the very meaning of human existence are profound and unsettling. Furthermore, the concept of bioengineering on such a sophisticated level raises questions about the nature of life itself. Are these drones truly alive, or are they simply highly advanced machines, biological puppets dancing to the tune of their creators? The line between organic and artificial blurs, challenging our definitions of consciousness, sentience, and the essence of being. The implications for our own technological development are equally profound. If a future civilization has achieved such mastery over time and biology, what does it mean for our own trajectory? Are we destined to follow a similar path, eventually unlocking the secrets of time travel and bioengineering? Or will our own technological advancements lead us down a different path, one with its own unique set of challenges and opportunities? The possibilities are both exhilarating and terrifying, a glimpse into a future that is both alien and strangely familiar. If you have enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to our channel? Also, as the YouTube algorithm loves it, please press the like button. And if you want to press the bell icon, and YouTube will tell you when we upload next.